And they're off here in the 200-meter final. Making the first turn over the first 100 meters. It is Vietnam ahead, but here comes the Philippines. Kristina Knott blitzing the field. And Knott is going in unopposed. And about to set a record, once again, a new record for the Southeast Asian Games for the second straight event. Kristina Knott of the Philippines setting a new Southeast Asian Games record by 0.4 of a second. That is the unofficial result.
And the unofficial time is 23.01. We have to verify so whether it has already been certified.
She was that close to beating the Asian record. But that is, of course, an unofficial time. There is your winner. Unofficially at 23.01. And Kristina Knott of the Philippines waving to her supporters. After the first 100 meters, the race result was never in doubt. It was a race for who would finish in second and third.
On the south side of the stadium are the results of the women's 200-meter final.
And there's your gold medalist for the 200 meters for women, Kristina Knott of the Philippines. And as she does her victory lap, we will await the official times of all the athletes. Apparently, her record is a new, or the time that she did in this 200-meter final set a new record for the Southeast Asian Games. Right again, a good start for all athletes. Vietnam had the early lead into the first 50 meters. But then after the 100-meter mark on the turn, all of a sudden, Knott of the Philippines turning on the jets. And in the final 50 meters, the result was never in doubt. So it will be Knott finishing in first for the gold, silver belonging to Vietnam, and the bronze going to Singapore.
Here's to some of the tidbits of information about the 200 meters. So runners will race 400 meters.
So one more time around, as you see, that is about 6 or 7 strides ahead of the silver medalist en route to a new record for the Southeast Asian Games. We await the official time. But Kristina Knott of the Philippines does it again. Double gold in the sprints. And she saw that she just missed the Asian record by a hair. There's your gold medalist. Second gold now in the Southeast Asian Games for Kristina Knott of the Philippines, going to her family and friends who have made the trip here to the New Clark City to support her. She is fondly called KK.
So historically, the 200 meters is in fact the first athletics event ever to have been staged in the Olympics.
So the official times have not yet been posted, but another gold medal for the Filipina, Kristina Knott. Of course, a little later on, we will have the final of the 200-meter for men.
Next, the men's 200-meter final.
That has just been announced. The men's 200-meter final about to begin as well. And there it is, a new games record for Kristina Knott of the Philippines for the second consecutive time